Hey, what's up everyone? I know you came here for a solution, not a TED talk, so let's get started. Open Coursera and search the course you want. I'm using Microsoft C++ program as an example. Click on the course and scroll down. Now, whatever you do, don't click the 7 days free trial if you are planning to apply for financial aid. Now, here's the plot twist. This Microsoft C++ program isn't just one course, it's actually divided into 4 separate courses, which also means 4 separate financial aid applications. Keep scrolling until you see financial aid available. Click Learn More. As you can see, I had already applied for financial aid twice and both applications got approved. Today we are applying for the third course. So let's go through the whole process together. Now fill in all the information honestly. Since I had already applied for course 1 and course 2, Coursera has automatically filled in my previous answers. So thankfully I don't have to type an entire essay again. Huge time saver. Enter 0 for the amount you are able to pay and then write down your learning goals. Now agree to the terms and conditions. Type the sentence exactly as shown and complete your non-robot test. After that, click on Review. This is your last chance to check everything. If you spot any mistakes, you can still edit your application. Once everything looks good, hit on Submit. Now let me show you some emails I have received from the Coursera. This is the first email you will receive after submitting your financial aid application. It simply confirms that Coursera has received your request. And these are approval emails for my course 1 and course 2 application. Now, here's something really important. In my case, Coursera approved 90% of financial aid, which means I still have to pay the remaining 10% of the course fee. So don't automatically expect every course to be completely free. It can vary, but for me it was 90% discount. And honestly, that's still an amazing deal. Once you pay the remaining amount, you will get the full access to the course. For me, the approval email arrived around 12 to 16 days after I submitted my application. So if you don't get reply immediately, don't panic. Coursera hasn't ghosted you. Just be patient. One last thing, keep checking your email because the approved discount is only valid for a limited time. If you miss the payment deadline, the discount may expire and you will have to pay the full course price.